Today, I will show you how to make a simple paper book. You only need one piece of paper to make it. Let's begin. First, fold the paper in half to make a rectangle. Second, fold it again to make a middle line. Like this. Then, open it again. Third, fold the top corners to the center to make a triangle. Fourth, fold the bottom parts up on both sides, like this. Next, open the triangle and press it to make a diamond shape, like this. Then, fold the bottom part up and do the same on the other side, like this. After that, open it again to make a smaller diamond shape like this. Finally, pull the top corner slowly to make a boot. So, the simple paper boot are ready. Okay everyone, that's all about how to make a simple paper boot. Thanks for watching and goodbye.